Stop. Don't pay for another AI video tool until you see this. Right now, creators are burning $20, $50, even $100 a month on AI video subscriptions, without realizing there are completely free tools producing cinematic videos that look like they came straight out of Sora. And no, I'm not talking about those fake free trials that lock you out after 3 generations. I mean actually free. No credit card, no hidden paywalls, and one of these tools even generates 4K videos with built-in sound effects. In this video, I'm showing you 2 powerful AI video generators that most creators have no idea exist. One creates hyper-realistic image-to-video animations in seconds. The other can generate full cinematic scenes, lip-sync avatars, and even animate characters with motion control. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create insane content for YouTube, TikTok, or ads without paying a single cent. And I'll even show you how to remove watermarks from any AI video so your content looks 100% professional. Let's get into the first tool. Welcome! The first tool we are covering today is Tencent Hunyuan. Click on the link in the description or the pinned comment to access the website. If the interface loads in Chinese, simply toggle the language option right here to English. You will see a variety of models available, such as Hunyuan Image 3.0 Instruct and Hunyuan Video 1.5. Today, however, our main focus is on video generation. The first step is to create an account. Click on the Sign In button here. I recommend signing in using your email address. Enter your email here. Then click this button, which translates to Get Code. You don't need to create a password, just click Continue. Even though the prompt is in Chinese, don't worry, a verification code will be sent to your Gmail. Retrieve the code, paste it here, and click Submit. We have now logged in successfully without needing a password. We are going to start with Hunyuan Video 1.5, so I'll click on that. The interface is very simple. Note that this specific tool is for image-to-video generation. For text-to-video, I have another tool to introduce later in this tutorial. Let's finish with this one first. All you need to do is upload an image, give it a prompt, and we are good to go. I'll upload my image now. The image has finished uploading. It shows a lady in a phone booth. Next, I'll input my prompt. Just so you know, all the prompts used in this video can be found in the description or the pinned comment on my Discord server. You can also select your desired aspect ratio, such as 480p, 720p, or 1080p. The 720p option renders the fastest, so I'll leave it on 720p. Make sure you have the prompt enhancer toggled on so the AI generates the best possible outcome. Click Generate and let it process. The video generation is complete. As you can see, there is a watermark, but don't worry, I'll show you how to remove watermarks from any AI video later in this tutorial. Let's play it and see how it turned out. This looks super realistic. Let's create a few more. I have another image I'd like to use, a girl with her robot dog. I'll input the prompt and hit Generate. That is also done. Let's check the result. It looks amazing. I'm going to create one more example. Even if you don't have an image yet, you can use this platform to generate one first and then animate it using the video tool we just used. I'll show you how to do that shortly. For now, let's clear this. Our next subject is a chef slicing carrots. I'll input the new prompt and hit Generate. It's done. Let's check it out. Now, let me show you how to generate images using this platform before we move on to the main AI video tool. We'll use Hunyuan Image 3.0. Select the model, give it the prompt you want, and select your resolution and quantity. I'll input my prompt here. You don't have to leave it on auto resolution. If you're creating for Instagram or TikTok, choose 9 to 16. For YouTube, select 16 to 9. I'll choose 16 to 9 and set the quantity to 2 images. Hit Generate now. The result is very cinematic. You can download your favorite image and animate it using the video tool we just used. I'll generate one more example, some ruins, before moving to the main focus of this video. Click Generate. This looks really nice. Now, let's move on to the main focus of this video, Tencent's new AI video generator. Click the link in the description to access this website. It promises high quality, high dynamics, continuous action, and artistic shots. Simply click Try Now. When you reach the playground, you'll notice the interface is in Chinese. To fix this, search and install the Immersive Translate browser extension, specifically Translate Web and PDF. Add it to your browser. Once installed, come back to the tool and click the extension button here. It will translate everything into English for you. You will see options for text to video, picture to video, lip sync, and action driven. Let me give you a quick overview. Text to video allows you to generate video from a prompt with specific settings. Picture to video works just like the previous tool. Lip sync lets you upload an avatar to make it speak. Action-driven operates like motion control. You upload a character to imitate a reference action. I'm going to start with text to video. I'll clear the default prompt and paste my own. You can adjust various settings, but I'll focus on the aspect ratio, selecting 16:9. Common tags allow you to define the style, like 4K or high detail. Inspirational tips can help generate prompts automatically, but I already have mine. For resolution, I'll select 2K. You can also add background sound. I'll enable that and hit Send. Let's give it a moment. Wow, I really like the sound effects. There is also a director mode feature. If you toggle this on, it will auto-generate a detailed prompt for you. Now, let's move to picture to video. I'll upload an image of an inmate talking to his wife. Once uploaded, I'll input the prompt, add background sound, and hit Send. Next is the lip sync feature. I'll upload my AI avatar and confirm the crop. You have two options: upload an audio file, note that it supports up to 10 seconds and will auto-trim, or type a script. I'll type a script here. Then select a voice actor from the list. I'll preview this one, select it, and hit Generate. This will be done in no time. While that processes, let's look at Action Driven. I'll upload this baby image and confirm. Then I'll select a reference motion video, like this dance, and hit Send. While we wait for those to generate, let me show you how to remove the watermark from these videos. We'll use this free online AI watermark remover. Upload the video you want to clean. You will see a watermark type option, moving or fixed. Moving is for watermarks that travel across the screen, but this one is stationary, so I'll select fixed. Simply draw a box around the watermark like this and click Remove Now. Just like that, the watermark is gone. You can now download the clean video to your device. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I'll see you in the next one.